What is a railroad and how does it carry long trains? Imagine a system that can move hundreds of cars filled with goods or passengers across vast distances with ease. That's what a railroad does. It's a network of steel tracks laid out on the ground, guiding trains smoothly from one place to another. The tracks are supported by wooden or concrete ties, also called sleepers, which keep the rails at the right distance apart. These ties sit on a bed of crushed stones called ballast, which helps distribute the weight and keeps the track stable. Railroads are built to handle heavy loads and long distances, making them perfect for moving massive trains that stretch 4 miles. Long trains are made possible by a few key engineering tricks. First, they use powerful locomotives, which are the engines that pull the cars. When trains get very long, they often have multiple locomotives placed at different points along the train, not just at the front. These are called distributed power units. They work together, controlled by a single operator, to pull or push the entire train smoothly. This setup helps reduce stress on the couplings, which are the connections between cars, and makes it easier to navigate curves and steep gradients. For example, the longest freight train ever recorded was over 7 kilometers long, with 682 ore cars and 8 diesel-electric locomotives working together from the front. The cars themselves are built to handle the forces involved. They have strong couplers that can withstand the tension and compression from acceleration and braking. The design of the cars and couplings is crucial for safety and efficiency when dealing with such long trains. Tracks designed for these trains are reinforced with heavy rails and well-maintained ballast to reduce resistance and wear. Some rail lines, especially those used for transporting iron ore in Australia, are built with wide curves and extra sturdy infrastructure to support these colossal trains. Modern control systems also play a big role. They allow a single operator to manage multiple locomotives across a long train, ensuring everything runs smoothly. These systems help with acceleration, braking, and communication, preventing derailments and keeping the train on track, even on complex routes. Some railroads even run very long passenger trains powered entirely by renewable energy sources like hydroelectric power. These trains can be almost 2 kilometers long, carrying hundreds of passengers comfortably and sustainably. Looking at world records, the longest freight train was operated by BHP Iron Ore in Australia. It stretched over 7 kilometers and carried nearly 100,000 metric tons of ore. It used 8 locomotives and hundreds of cars, showing how railroads can move enormous amounts of cargo efficiently. On the passenger side, the Swiss Rhetian Railway set a record with a train nearly 2 kilometers long, made up of 25 locomotives and over 100 carriages, traveling through mountainous terrain powered by clean hydroelectric energy. All these feats are possible because railroads provide a stable, low-friction path that can support massive, heavy trains. By combining strong engineering, advanced control systems, and powerful locomotives, railroads can carry loads that are simply impossible for road vehicles. This makes them essential for transporting large quantities of goods and many passengers across continents, connecting places and supporting economies with colossal creations of natural and human-made marvels.